Hey my friend, need to create a hole or a pocket in your 3D model. Pocket tool is your solution. Pocket tool is tool in FreeCAD 1.0. When using the pocket operation or pocket tool, there are several type operation that determine the tip or direction of the extrusion. Below is an deep explanation of this option. There is 6 type option for make a pocket. For the first is dimension. The function of dimension is to extrude the sketch into the solid to a manually specified tip. We can make a pocket with use manual tip. For the first, we can make a sketch. I will choose XY plane. I will make rectangle with 150 and 60. Click enter. After that, I will close the sketch. I will extrude with path tool. I will extrude 35. Yeah. I will make sketch. Second sketch in this surface. Click the surface. Create sketch. After that, I choose rectangle again and make sketch. I will make 130 millimeter and 40 millimeter. Click enter. Choose create external geometry to help you to make a dimension. I choose this. After that, click dimension to make a distance between first rectangle and the second rectangle. For the first, distance is 10 millimeter. Click OK. After that, we can check the dimension this and make dimension is same 10 millimeter. Click OK. Yes. After the rectangle is green, it is indicate fully constrained. We can close the sketch and let's begin to make a pocket tool. We can try first type of pocket. This is the icon of pocket tool. Yeah. There is 6 options. in Pocket Tool, dimension took all to first up to face, to dimension and up to shape. We can try the first dimension. You can feel the length of your pocket. I will choose to make 50. This 15 tip from the surface to the pocket bottom. You can choose reverse, but reverse is nothing pocket, or symmetric plan. You can choose taper angle. You can feel the taper angle if you need. For example, this is 0 angle, 0 degree. I will make it 30 degree for the example. I will yeah. Yeah. There is 30 degree of angle. We try to 45 degree. uh 10 degree. Yeah. This example for dimension in the pocket tool. Type 2 of pocket, there is stroke all. Stroke all is cut through entire object. The function is cut the solid completely from the sketch. This is the sketch to the entire object. Cut until the bottom. Yeah. And we cannot input a length or depth in this feed in this type. I will demonstrate it. Click pocket. After that, click through all. You can observe this sketch through all. Yeah. The final result is cut to the bottom, and we cannot edit the depth or length in this feature. Okay, three type of pocket. There is two first. Two first is pocket that stop at first encountered surface. I will explain it. When I make this sketch to make a pocket, and I will choose pocket and two first. The pocket is stopped at the first surface in here. I will repeat again. The pocket will stop at the first surface. I will demonstrate it. Choose two first. There is the sketch. The sketch is along this, and pocket that we make is stopped at the first surface. It is the first surface. And this is the two first pocket. Up to face pocket. Up to face pocket is pocket that stop at selected face. Different with two first that stop at first surface. For example, there is sketch that I make to make a pocket, and you can pocket, and you can choose the surface. I will choose the surface. Click pocket and choose up to face. I will choose this face. Yeah. The final result is if we choose this sketch or surface. And type 5 pocket, there is two dimension, and the function is to extrude in two direction. I will demonstrate it. I will make a new sketch. In this surface, I make a rectangle sketch. Close. After that, I will choose pocket tool and select two dimension. There is two options of length, first length and second length. You can fill the dimension. This is the dimension, for example. And you can make a amazing design with this feature. You can make this design. Use first length and second length. And you can make a taper angel with this. And actually it is final my explanation about Pocket. For up to shape type is between two shape solid surface, between one solid surface and other solid surface. And there is my tutorial for Pocket tool in FreeCAD 0.1 1.0. I hope you will enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.